Well, after a month of delay, finally, the Mumbai civic body has signed a contract for setting up 16 oxygen plants across Mumbai. And this was a promise that was made long ago. But what has now come to light is that the manufacturer of the firm who's been given the contract is a blacklisted firm by the name Unici India. Now, Unici India was in fact blacklisted by Rajasthan government last year for not completing the oxygen plant related work on time at a Jaipur hospital. Importantly, the BMC rules also state that it will not work with any firm blacklisted by any other state government. But despite that, Unici India has got this contract. BMC has not commented on how the particular firm was given this work. The deadline of setting up the plants has now been revised to 20th of June. Meanwhile, BJP corporator Vinod Mishra has said that he had written to the BMC officials highlighting the issues with the firm during the finalization process. He said that the firm which has got the contract has no experience in setting up oxygen plants. He has also said that the Mumbai civic body is paying more than double for this project than what the other civic bodies are paying for similar projects. Santhya joining us with more input. So Santhya, there are a couple of things that have come to the fore. One, of course, is that the firm that has finally got the contract, it seems, has been blacklisted by at least one other state government, and it is against the BMC rules to give such a firm a contract of this nature.
Yes, absolutely, Afrida. See, there are multiple issues with this particular project. So first, the project is delayed by a huge gap, a huge margin actually. This work was supposed to be over by end of May, but it is already second week of June. And finally, yesterday the contract was given. It's delayed to that extent. So that's one part of it. Another part is this is actually a blacklisted firm is involved in the manufacturing and setting up of these 16 oxygen plants across the city. So the firm which has got the contract is Highway Construction, and the firm Unici India Private Limited is the manufacturer for this particular firm which has got the contract, and that is confirmed by BMC. In fact, Highway Construction has mentioned in its bidding for bidding, trying to seek the project, that how it's Unici India Private Limited which is going to manufacture and set up the plant for this firm on their behalf. Now, what is wrong with Unici Private India Limited is that it is actually a blacklisted, it's a tainted firm, Afrida. It was blacklisted by Rajasthan government in the month of November because this particular firm was given a contract of setting up oxygen plant in Jaipur Savai Mansingh Hospital, but that was not done on time. There was a delay there. That's exactly why Rajasthan government banned this particular company. And as per BMC rule, any firm which is blacklisted by any government body across the country, that firm does not and cannot get any work from BMC. But clearly that rule was ignored by BMC while the contract was granted yesterday. In fact, when the contract was, when this particular tender, when the draft letter for approval of granting this contract was introduced in the standing committee meeting yesterday, it was approved within 30 seconds. Those who wanted to object to it, protest against it, they are saying that because the meeting took online, their voices were kept on mute, they were not allowed to speak, and within 30 seconds, this particular project was approved without seeking any opinion from anybody in the standing committee, and that is actually against the rules. So these are the multiple issues which are there with this particular project, where 16 oxygen plants were supposed to be set up in Mumbai by the end of May month, and here we are in the second week of June, Afrida, when only the contract was granted yesterday, Afrida.
Yes, and the new deadline is revised to 20th of June, so there's another 10 more days to go. Thanks for joining us with the latest information, Santhya.